Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating an OLE, object linking and embedding, component using Python allows you to integrate your Python code with other applications, such as Microsoft Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. This tutorial will guide you through the process of scripting an OLE component using Python with a code example. Before you start, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Python installed. You need Python installed on your system. You can download and install Python from the official website at python.org. Pywin32 library. To work with OLE automation, you'll need the Pywin32 library, which is a set of Python extensions for Windows. Install it using pip. Microsoft Office application, optional depending on your use case. You may want to interact with a specific Office application like Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. Ensure that the Office application is installed on your system. Let's create a Python script that interacts with Microsoft Excel as an OLE component. We'll demonstrate how to open an Excel file, add data to it, and save it using Python. In this script, we import the Win32com.client module to interact with Excel using OLE automation. We create a new instance of Excel using Win32.dispatch, Excel.application. We create a new workbook, get the first worksheet, and add some data to it. We save the workbook as example.xlsx. Finally, we close the workbook and quit the Excel application. Save the Python script to a .py file, example excel_ol.py. Run the script by executing it in your command prompt or terminal. After running the script, you should see the example.xlsx file in the same directory with the data you added to it. This example demonstrates how to script an OLE component using Python with Microsoft Excel. You can adapt this code to work with other OLE-enabled applications like Word or PowerPoint by changing the application name and adapting the actions accordingly. Remember to handle errors gracefully in your code and explore the documentation for the specific application you are interacting with for more advanced features and capabilities. ChatGPT